Good day, welcome to RMA Baba Yoruba, still on another edition of our tone practice. Today we are going to be practicing on we applying the tone mark together with the vowel sound that we have. We are going to start with me. As we know, me is the I tone. So we are going to take it this way. We have A, E, O, U, as you can see on the screen, as the oral vowel sound. So we are going to apply the tone mark me on it. How do we start? Let's do it this way. A, Let's take the next one. A, Same thing. E, I, Same way. O, O, U. So that is the simple way in which we can pronounce it. A, E, I, O, U. That is the way we can get it. Don't forget to click, comment, and share our channel. Thank you.
RMA Baba Yoruba TV.